everyone, today I'm going to show you my brand new tiny art room. But of course, I kind of had to show you where it all began first, right here at half of my kitchen table. This is where I painted my first rock and my first video. It wasn't soon after that one of my best friends gave me a pop-up table. She was getting rid of it and thought of me, and thank goodness she did. I loaded it up and headed to my bedroom where I had a new space all my own. I was so excited and thought this was just the best setup ever. And now, fast forward to today, I have a brand new art desk and every supply in the world, it seems like, or at least the ones I use. I'm getting ready to move into my new art room because I'm putting a wall right here. So my art desk has to go. So let's head into this room that we made into a room for my daughter. This closet has got to go and it is gone. So now we're building a wall. Excuse the mess. I designed this tiny space, the exact measurements of my art desk. It's gonna be 4 foot wide. That's all I need. I have one end cabinets and the other end will be my art desk. So let's go tear that art desk apart and get it in there. What a mess. After moving everything in there, painting the walls, doing the spackling, and making a little custom shelving, here's what it looks like. We're entering from my living room. That door leads to a brand new guest room, perfect size for any Marine just getting out of the Marine Corps. I hung up my Mandala mirror, my very first one, and I think it looks adorable with this odd paint color. It's not exactly what I wanted, but I grew to love it because the name of it was called Transcend. So peek around the corner at my brand new space. You guys, I have been poking things into every little nook and cranny over there and building little custom shelves for my rocks, and I've got it all stocked up. Y'all, I sit here and I just look at it and think, holy cow, I cannot believe this space is mine. No matter how tiny it is, I am beyond thrilled and I feel like a little kid on Christmas morning every time I sit down. Let me go through and show you everything I added. In these little drawers, I have all of my little stencils, my tiny rocks, and all of my bling bling rhinestones. Over here, I took all of my scrap wood and made these tiny little shelves for all of my additives, my sealers, and all the things that I use daily. I hung up these cute little hooks that hold all of my rulers and gadgets and thingamabobs that I use mostly for my guidelines. And then down here, I have like my pencil sharpener, my tape, my really high-powered reading glasses, my junk drawer that has everything I use while I'm painting. This has all of my resin stuff, and under that, all my Posca pens. And the drawer below it, well, you guys can't see what's in there. Those are all my surprises for future videos. Check out what's over here. Down here under my feet, I have always kept this shelf. It houses all of my rocks that I've painted. Now, it's just holding some extras. I've got my sketchbook to the left and my color wheels to the right. Directly to the left of my art table, I have a little portable table where I do projects that I'm not recording. And then on the other side of the room are my cabinets. You guys, these are 2 pantries I picked up at Lowe's, and I designed all this myself, and I'm super, super tickled and proud. Check out all of this storage that has doubled as a beautiful place to display my art. I love it so much. Inside these cabinets hold everything for my art business and all of my crafting needs. Up top, all of the things that wouldn't fit. let me open a few of these cabinet doors and show you what I got going on in the inside. In this cabinet, I'm keeping all of my finished canvases while they wait for new homes. I'm also keeping all of the amazing things you guys have sent me. Oh, I love all of the things y'all sent me. Thank you so much. I love Rob Thomas too. Y'all just have to know that. Thank you so much, Diane. And I want you all to say hi to Martin. You remember him. Okay, in this cabinet, I am keeping a resin station. Did y'all see that light pop on? Okay, I'm sorry. It was just a little light, but I thought it was really cool. This is where I resin all of my things now, and I can close that cabinet door and no more dust in my resined rocks, y'all. I know it's not much, but I'm telling you, it's gonna make a huge difference. Down here, I keep a lot of extra supplies, and I keep all of my shipping supplies so that all the things I need to ship my rocks out are right here at my fingertips. Up here is a bunch of extra supplies. I'm telling you, tapes and staples and addresses and all of the messy things you probably don't want to see. But you know we've all got that corner. Now, down here, check this out. I had to have a place for my computer desk as we had to get rid of it. So I fashioned myself a little DIY slide-out computer desk, y'all. I made this myself from a slide-out drawer from Lowe's. I think it's designed for a trash can. Sometimes I want to throw my computer in the trash can. But what do y'all think? That's how it works. I love it. Then here's some extra storage for like my paint palettes and all those lids I use and all of the supplies that I need to refill from time to time. This last drawer is just some extra rocks, and over here is where I keep my pull-out table for my keyboard and my mouse when I'm using my computer. Isn't this the neatest cabinet? I'm so proud of that. I recently just made my yearly stash of rocks. This year, it might be a 2-year supply, to be honest with you. So I crafted these shelves specifically to hold my rocks. You guys, I feel so fancy. I think this whole project cost me about $6, believe it or not. It was just some pieces of wood that I cut to fit my shelves, and then I put little plastic clips there. They're gonna double at Christmas time to hold my ornaments too, but they're making sure those rocks don't slide off and, you know, hit me. That would stink. Oh, and check this out. I've got a little phone charger that I stuff through these cool paint organizer. This is how I plug in my device when I'm sitting here recording, and it warns me my battery's about to die. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys this. Check out how I hung up my DIY stencils. They go with my Mandala brainstorms. I use these little micro magnets I made in a video. I put a little screw in the wall, and believe it or not, that magnet sticks right to it, holds it right where I want it. I thought that was so smart, you guys. So simple, but so smart. And it's pretty. And this is everything I keep in my cups. I can't remember who asked me what all I keep in those coffee cups, but here's a good view of the right-hand side of my desk that you guys never get to see. And that's where I rinse my dotting tools. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this little look into my small home and my tiny little art room. I couldn't be more proud. I know it's a small space, but I adore it. I'm so proud of all my hard work. I hope you all join me next week for a brand new tutorial. Until then, rock on.